everybody, I'm Chad Tiller and we're here at the Rosco booth at LDI 2013 in Las Vegas. Let's go take a look. With the acquisition of GAM last spring, Rosco now offers all of these color filters. We have over 930 color filters for you to choose from. Every color that you need, any color that you want, you can get it from the name and company you love. Welcome to Rosco's Color Family. With over 930 color filters, how do you keep them all straight? Well, Rosco's innovated MyColor, a desktop color picking application that you can use online. Go to www.rosco.com/mycolor and you'll find our great online color picking tool. This tool is going to allow you not only to search through all of the lines of color filter we offer by brand or by color family or by other applications, but it also allows you to save it in a user-defined profile so you can access your show palettes, you can access your favorite color swatch books that you've created online to save, so you can go back and find your colors as easy as possible. MyColor, it's a great resource, ready to use, free to you, and we love having it available for you. 114, 119, and 132. You've used them, you've loved them, but here's the deal. We've been developing a new technology in how we manufacture these products to ensure consistency for the future. The tooling that we use has been re-engineered to create consistent 114, 119, and 132 diffusers to get that perfect frost that you want every time, regardless of where you're at in the world. This is the frost that you want. A year ago at LDI, we introduced you to the Miro Cube fixture, our 4-inch cube form factor LED product, which has both a color mixing version as our 4C with RGB W color mixing, and our variable white WNC with warm, neutral, and cool LED diodes. This year we're introducing the Miro Arc. This architectural appropriate design fixture is the same great feature set of the Miro Cube family, but with a couple of modifications ready for the architectural world. Those modifications include a hardwired wire lead coming off of the fixture rather than using the PowerCon connector, and we're introducing RJ45 data connections rather than the 5-pin XLR. This way you're ready to use these fixtures in an architectural marketplace without having to pull specialty entertainment wires. It's a great modification for a great product line. When it comes to Gobo projection, you've got a lot of options out there. But with adding GAM's over 500 images to our Gobo library, we now have more Gobos than any other manufacturer in our industry. So when you want to choose those, we are introducing MyGobo 2.0. It's going to be on the web, the iPhone, the iPad, the Android, and it's going to be right there at your fingertips to search through all of those Gobos in that extensive database. We've also introduced the Cool Ink Gobos, plastic printed Gobos for your LED fixtures. If your LED fixture needs a Gobo and you want to print it out, we have the right technology to give you the best Gobo that feels like a Gobo, looks like a Gobo, acts like a Gobo, and gives you the projection you need in a nice printed plastic image that's ready to use in those LED fixtures. We've also introduced Pixel Patterns. Pixel Patterns is a projection design product which allows you to use Rosco Gobos or animated loops in a media server to tie in what the lighting designer is doing with Gobos and the projection designer is doing with projection and make them seamlessly work together. It's a great offering from a leader in the industry of projection. One of our favorite motion effects pieces of equipment is the SX4 from GAM. Now available from Rosco, we've got several different trays that lock into the SX4 when you apply this to your Source 4 unit. Right now in here we've got the disc tray, which will spin a disc through the field of light and give you an interesting projection. Right now we've just got some spinning stars. But we've also got a loop tray, which you can drop into your SX4 and use a motion effects loop similar to the film effects. When used in the SX4, this loop is going to last about 4,000 hours, and it's going to give you great linear effects like falling rain, or snowflakes, rushing water, or passing clouds. It's so easy to use. You can slide the loop straight on and off, And by doing so, you give yourself a great projection design ready to use from your friends at Rosco and GAMS. So thanks for joining us here at Rosco at LDI 2013. We're in booth 1916, so if you're out here in Vegas, come on by and see us. Otherwise, we'll see you next year at LDI or somewhere on the road. Thanks!